Hi, I'm Daiki of the matcha. Today I will explain about how to brew cold brew sencha. The cold brew is very easy to make and very suitable for this summer season. Please see, this is the leaves for cold brew. So we are blending several tea leaves which has a good sense, good aroma, and also some bit umami taste. So like blending is suitable for a cold brew, we think. This is the type of the leaves, sencha leaves, and also we have a tea bag for the cold brew. I will explain why cold brew is better for this season. So please see this chart. This side is the temperature and this side is amount. This orange one is amino acid and this black one is a caffeine and this one is a catechin. The caffeine and the catechin is a sense of the bitterness. So please see, once we brew at really a cold temperature like cold brew, we can get higher umami taste and less caffeine and less catechin. And you can enjoy less caffeine and also less bitterness by doing a cold brew. And in addition to it, by cold brewing, we can get epigallocatechin, EGC, so which is very good for immune system. So by doing cold brew, it's also effect to prevent some catching a cold and those effect. Hi, let's make cold brew. This is the bottle for cold brew, actually made by Hario, which is very famous for also coffee utensil. This one is, there is a kind of filter. So once we put the leaves, actually this is a magical spoon to calculate 5 grams of the tea leaves. And we think 10 grams for 1 liter would be suitable. So 1 and 2 scoop. And then put really cold water with ice cube. This bottle is good because the leaves can easily to swim in the water. So it's really easy to brew and good taste. And then after we put into the fridge for 5 hours, 6 hours, it's ready to brew. If you don't have enough time, once you shake it, it's easily to get the taste. Because as I said, they have a filter, so you can get only the tea, not without the leaves. But if you don't have this bottle, of course it's easy to make. Please use this tea pack and the same amount. Put the 2 scoop of the tea leaves. Grip it, and then please put into the bottle. And this one is actually after 6 hours. Like this, you can get the cold brew sencha. So let's pour this one. Here we go. Yeah, please look this beautiful color. So